A special good morning to Jonte. Jonte, keep an eye on my icon. There you go. Special good morning to Jonte in Australia. See it, Jonte? All right, guys. As you can see by my little chart here in the spiders, we've already had a pretty active morning. We've had a dollar range in the spiders already. There's news coming out of the EU in drips and drabs about what's going on there with the economic package and everything else. So my guess is, and I could be wrong, that we'll have a little more volatile day today than we did yesterday. Spiders are down 45 cents. If there was nothing else going on, I'd just say it's a little profit taking here, which is normal after the run that we've had. So that, all that being said, we will obviously wait and see what setups we get, as we do every day. So let's talk some numbers. All right, as far as the spiders are concerned, and if we're going to talk about resistance, the only thing we can use is yesterday's high, which is 129.65, which is a buck from where we are now. Probably be a good starting point, 129.65. Support in the spiders, the first spot I'm really probably going to care about is down here at 127.85, which is 80 cents below where we are right now. All right, so 127.85, 129.65, both about 80, 90 cents from where we're trading right now. Right now we're just in the middle of everything. Again, I think it could be a news sensitive day. Very important, guys, at 2 o'clock today, the beige book is coming out. It's a big economic number. It's a measure of the economic activity across the country in different sectors. My suggestion would be to not have positions on going into that. It is one of these numbers that can affect the market, especially knee-jerk reactions. So I would rather react to what the number is than have to worry about being in a position. So that's at 2 o'clock. All right, I'll be reminding everybody when we get closer to it. But I would not have positions on going into that. It's not the beat-all, end-all number. It comes out once a month, but it can affect what the market does. So let's be cognizant of it. All right, that's the spiders. Let's rip through some stocks now. Caterpillar down 37 cents, trading at 99.59. As far as resistance, again, this stock is above everything that we have. There is no resistance anywhere on this chart. So what we have to do, we got to watch it open, see what it does, especially if it goes to the upside. Look for a reversal on it. I'm looking at the support level right here, and we fill this gap if we get to 97.50. So 97.50, which is still down $2 from here, is the first spot that I'd even look at Caterpillar. Actually, I'd probably 98. I'd probably take a look. Let me just take a look real quickly. Yeah, I'll look 98 first. That would be down $1.50. So 98 in Caterpillar. As far as resistance, it's above everything that we got. Let's look at FCX. Again, everything's probably just down a little bit right now. Down 40 cents, trading at 39.90. All right, there is a spot where we'll take a look at this. 38, let's just say 38.50. 38.50, that would be down $1.70 from here. I don't know that we get there, but that's a spot that we'll look at. And resistance is going to be yesterday's high, 41.20. 41.20. All right, so 38.60, 41.20 in FCX. LVS. Down 39 cents at 43.40. All right, there's a little number here at 43. I don't care about that, but if we get to this low here, 41.77, again, a lot of stuff we're looking at is a ways away from this. 41.77, and then resistance at this 44.50 level, which it tested a few days ago. So 44.50 is a spot we'll look at the upside, which would be up $1.10 from here. All right, that's LVS. Monsanto has been a runaway train since its earnings came out. It's down 45 cents right now at 78.75. Again, resistance, there is none. This is a daily chart. Let's go to the weekly chart. Nada, zip, nada. So if it does spike up at some point, we'll look for resistance. As far as support, let's see what we got. 78.75. too far away. All right, 76.70, which is down $1.76. It's down almost $2 from here. But that is the first real support in this stock. 76.75 is the first real support. Okay. Potash. Down 17 cents. Not much of a pullback in this bad boy. Daily chart, 44. Let's just say 44.40. It's a buck away from here on the upside. Take a look at that. And our support is also right here at $42. So 42, 44.40. And potash. Dig. Rig is down 48 cents at 40.45. I really don't care about this 40 level. It's too close. But I will look at the recent lows it made, 38.80. 38.80. And as far as resistance, right now it's above everything again. Just trying to see if we have anything. Let's just say, where are we? 40.40, 41.50, which would be up $1.10 from here. 41.50. Schlumberger, one of our favorites at times. Down 67 cents, trading at 70. All right, yesterday's high we'll use for resistance, 71.06. And the first spot of support is 69, which is down $1 from here. 69, and then I like these recent lows down at 67.14. 67.14, 69. Let's look at Goldman Sachs. The only trade I made yesterday wasn't Goldman. Down 38 cents at $98, basically. Again, resistance, we got to use yesterday, so let's just use 100. Use $100. It's up $2.05 from here. Support, obvious one at 94, but that's down $4 from here. Let's see if we can find something a little better than 94. All right, let's go 96.50. That would be down $1.40 from here. 96.50 in Goldman. Take a little peek. GLD. Let's look at gold. Gold's been very active this morning also already. Had a decent little dollar range right in here. Trading at 159.21. So if we spike quickly over 160, we'll take a little peek. And if we get near this 158 level, we'll take a little peek. So 158, 160. We'll look at gold. 158, 160. Silver. AGQ, which is a silver ETF. All right, it's actually at a pretty big level here. Real resistance is going to be 51.56, which is up $3 from here, but this thing can do that. And support, let's go with $46, down $2 from here. 46. And we'll keep our eyes on the SLV, the ZSL, and everything else that trades with the silver and the gold. All right, guys, so again, everything we do is going to be based on the spiders, which has been pretty volatile already this morning. I really don't. What did I miss, Jonty? Mosaic. Thank you. Down 46 cents at 54.39. Don't really like that. That's too close. All right, let's go 53. 53 would be down $1.30 from here. 53, 52. And resistance is going to be, again, this high that it tested a couple of times, right around 55.25. 55.20 times. So a bunch of these stocks, have got above their first little resistance levels. So let's see if they pull back significantly. So 53, 52. We'll look at in Mosaic. Sina. Let's see what we're doing. Down 37 cents. Not much of a pullback after yesterday's big rip up. Just trying to see what that little number is right there, if I can. Hold on. All right. I mean, there's a little number here at 53.63. I know you like trading that, Dorian. That's what I'd use for my pivot, 53.63. And if it got down to that level, and you want to short it, my pivot level would be 53.63. Either way, if you see it holding it, maybe we get this continued up. But if it gets below it, that might be the spot, 53.63. Either way. As far as resistance, I really don't think we have any chart-wise. Let's take a look where we are. Yeah, I mean, there's nothing here. Maybe 57, which would be up here. Yeah, I'd use 57. For some reason, it went up $2.50. So use the 53.63, which isn't far from here. All right, guys, again, everything's going to be based on these spiders. I really don't have any focus stocks beyond the SPY right now. Let's watch everything that we normally watch. All right, look for moves from these spiders before we start getting involved in stuff. All right, anybody have any questions about anything else? Again, I think we're going to be a little more volatile today than we were yesterday. At least hopefully we will be. So let's be patient off the opening. As always, there will be opportunities, and we'll key everything on a spider. So let's get, if we can get a quick dollar move out of the spiders here, obviously we'll get involved. If not, we'll just take a peek and see where we are. There's a little tiny level before this 127.84, and this is this 128.30 level. 128.30. I almost tested it this morning. We got to 36. I don't know if I'm going to be crazy about doing anything there when they first open, but we'll take a peek. But we definitely will look, and depending on how quickly it gets there, of course, that 127.85 level. All right? So again, guys, everything based on our spies. I think, anytime the news leaks out of Europe about the EU or anything else, we're probably going to get some movement. And keep in mind, 2 o'clock is the beige book. All right, ladies and germs, we will be back in about 20 minutes. Kate, you trying to ask something? I'm having a power nap for beige book. See you in a bit. Okay, Kate, thanks for letting us know. You in your pajamas? What are you wearing, Kate? Just curious. PJs, are they flannels? I know it's like 100 degrees in Australia. All right, guys, please, anyone who has any questions at any time, don't hesitate to pop them up there, okay? We're here to help everybody.